Come on in, welcome to my home. It's hot. It's really hot today. I mean, it is super hot. So this is not the recipe I had planned on making, but this is the recipe I'm going to make. In fact, there are two recipes for a nice, cool drink. Now, I am using coconut water. You can use coconut milk, you can use whatever you've got, but I actually had some on hand, so I will use this. So, we are starting off with something which we've made before. If you want to learn how to make a simple syrup, you can hit that card. It'll take you to that day where I make a simple syrup. Everything which I have, well, at least it was cold when I first took it out. I put it in the refrigerator so it was nice and cold. I'll pull things out as I need them. All the ingredients are listed down below along with the recipe, but let's make this because I am super, super hot. So I'm going to get the ice out of the freezer. Alright, ice cubes, simple syrup, lemon juice, and coconut water, or you can use coconut milk. Coconut milk will give you a creamier, different consistency. It's sort of really cool. Alright, that is done. I'm going to pour it into my glass. That looks so good. Alright, let's give this a taste. Oh, that's nice. Can't tell you that's really nice. It has just this nice, tangy, this is what a smoothie was meant to be. This is really good. Alright, let's make our next one. Alright, now we're ready to make our next one. I'm going to get my ice out of the freezer. And I mean, everything, it's so hot, everything is melting, instantly. Once again, simple syrup, coconut water or coconut milk. This is lime juice. Let's blend that. Pour that into the glass. Alright, let's give this a taste. I like that too. That's really good. These are both really good. I'm going to tell you, on a hot day like today, these melt really quickly. And like I said, you can use coconut water, coconut milk. The coconut milk does give you a little creamier consistency. It does have that slight tropical blend, but this is really good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope this cools you off on this hot day. And I hope I get to see you again next time you stop by.